to mix the spiritual part and the material part. And for me, the thing that makes the biggest difference in life, in my life and what I see in other people's life, is the fact of knowing what you want and where you're going. And it's a very big thing because most of the people in life, they don't know where they are going, and then you end up turning in circles, and it's kind of confusing for most of people. It's not really that they're not succeeding in life, but more that they don't really know what they want to do and what and how. And so there's an exercise that you know, but to do it right now, it's maybe in a different context would be powerful, and maybe a way for you to make it more clear and more precise. Because I say that because I read the book, so they have done an exercise that is inside my book. It's what I call the ideal day. It's a day that is ideal for you. So if you did it and you still have it in mind,
thought about it.
you thought about it. So that's perfect. In the book I precise, to do the exercise. People often just read and say, yeah. So there's a few questions that are important to ask yourself by doing this exercise. The first one is related with money. It relates with what you asked me before. Is what would you do if money was not an issue? If you knew that you don't have to worry about money? If you don't have to worry about what people think? And keeping in mind, choosing to be free instead of security. Putting on side the security part, thinking about freedom. So the main idea is, I will give you a few more questions, and then it will be your work to go inside yourself to really know. Is if you wake up tomorrow morning and you know that you don't have to worry about money, to care about what people think, you choose freedom first, where will you be? What will you do? Who will be with you? And try to imagine a type of ideal schedule for your day. Like you wake up in the morning and you unfold the day the best way possible for you, that fits with your value, with what you want in life, with what you enjoy in life. So it will take a little bit of time. What you can do for this exercise is to go inside yourself, close your eyes, and keep a few of those questions in mind. Like you have the main idea, you understand the main idea, and try different scenario. What is good is like trying different scenario. Either you have one that comes instantly in your mind and you know, and so you go there and you really imagine all the different situations and how you feel. That's a very important thing, is how does it make you feel to have this situation in your life. So that's the main thing. You close your eyes, you go there, you imagine different situations, and you keep in mind those different questions. And imagine the best way possible. So you don't put any limit in any ways of time, of possibilities, of people. Nothing is blocking you, and you really have the possibility to live the best way that would be ideal for you.